This short guide explains how to buy shares of Skillz Inc. Skillz operates a mobile gaming and esports competition platform listed on NASDAQ under the ticker SKLZ. This content is educational only and not financial advice. To trade, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account, usually with an ID, and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker SKLZ to find Skillz Inc. Confirm you are selecting the NASDAQ listing for the correct company. On the asset page, you can read basic company details and view the price chart to study recent activity. Double-check the company name and ticker to ensure it is the right stock. To buy, click Invest, choose the amount you want to spend, then carefully review and confirm your order. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or executed at the next open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will ask you to add them before confirming. Once the trade is processed, the position will appear in your portfolio for review. Find the example link to eToro in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown.